Hello, I'm Cnix. How many different types of tools and systems do you have on your shop floor? And can you actually use all of them? This time, Cnix Data Service Platform now supports AI agents for local LLM. With this agent, you can integrate and control your entire site using natural language.
We have set up both a Siemens PLC and the Melsec PLC. As you can see here, the Siemens emitter is currently active. Let's stop the operation of this emitter. Now, as you can see, the Data Service Platform agent has successfully deactivated the current sensor connected to the Siemens PAC. Next, let's reactivate the current sensor on the Siemens PLC. And there it is. As you can see, the current sensor connected to the Siemens PLC is now active again. Moving on to the Melsec PLC emitter. Looking at the screen, the alarm set point seems a bit off. Let's use the Data Service Platform agent to match this alarm value with the Siemens PLC's alarm configuration. As expected, the Data Service Platform agent has successfully updated the highest alarm value of the Melsec PLC current sensor from 180 to 18. Now, let's perform the same update for the high alarm value. The Data Service Platform agent also has successfully updated the high alarm value of the Melsec PLC current sensor from 116 to 16. Now let's perform the same update for the low alarm value directly. In the same way, the Data Service Platform agent has successfully modified the low alarm value on the Melsec PLC. We have now finished updating all alarm values for the Melsec PLC current sensor. As you can see, the alarm indicator has now returned to normal. Next, let's instruct the Data Service Platform agent to retrieve the historical data. Alright, here's the chart you're looking for. Clicking View Results allows you to see the data used in the chart, along with a data summary including the minimum, maximum, average, median, total integral, and standard deviation. Thanks for watching this video.